This is Emily and Billy trying to put on a pair of nylons. Okay, Billy, help her.
Stand up. Stand up. Okay, let's try this again.
You gotta fix your feet, Emily. See the floppy part?
Okay, gotta do it again.
No, they're gonna go up her crotch. You have to work them all the way up.
Do this as a weightlifting. 1 and 2.
Okay, you have to fix them. Look, now they're... See, and you gotta pull the wrinkles up to the thighs.
Mom, what the fuck?
How did Billy do putting your nylons on?
Stupid.
Should he ever do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye.